Okay. So why don't you take me through some of the changes that you'd like to see?
Sure. I got 3 points from Cook. So when you click international, then programs, and then paralegal. Yeah,
Yeah.
scroll down a little bit. Yeah, did you see the first table? It said semester 1, 1,100 hours. So Cook wants all of those like 2 green bars combined together. Like the first row said 1,100 hours and semester 1. He wants all of those tables, the first 2 green rows combined together as one row. But he wants to highlight the 1,100 hours in some way.
Okay. So if I look at this, it goes 300 hours here.
Mm-hmm.
60, 40, 100, 140, 180, 260, 300. So does he want 1,100 hours to be in every one? Because it's confusing.
I'm not sure because he just said he wants to highlight it, and he doesn't want to see like 2 green rows together. So probably combine them as semester 1, and then maybe put 1,100 hours somewhere to highlight it.
Okay. So why don't we do this? Why don't we put something here that says total hours 1,100, and then we'll take that out, and then that'll just be semester 1 and combine. That way, basically we're saying the total is 1,100, and here's the breakdown.
Sure.
Okay. So that's
and he
that's
wants
fine.
The same for the other 3 programs. Mobile application is fine, I think.
Yeah.
But for hospitality and personal support worker, it's the same. It has 2 green rows. He wants to combine them as one.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, and highlight those total hours.
Yeah. So we'll put the total hours here, and right between the picture and the green bar. We'll make one green bar. That way, people will automatically know how long.
Yeah, and please set the total hours and make maybe a small icon or something to highlight it.
Okay. Let's see. So maybe we can put a clock icon beside it and put 1,100 hours?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see. But yeah, we'll definitely highlight it, and then obviously the rest of the breakdown. I think people will understand it. Okay, cool. So were those the only 3 things?
And when you scroll down a little bit, there were other sections, other tables with 2 green rows, I remember.
Okay, so basically the rule is don't put 2 green rows.
Mm-hmm. Combine all those 2 rows to one for all of those programs. And then highlight those total hours. That's the first 2 points made by him. And then the third is he doesn't like the tables. He specific said, like, for credential, like every part of the credential for every program. He said the table, like credential, admission requirement, payment structure, like all of those rest tables, he think it looks like too simple. Like it's, I don't know, he wants something maybe interesting or like catchy.
I guess it's hard to make this catchy, right? There's not enough information to make it catchy. Like, how do you want it to be catchy?
I don't know. He didn't say exactly. He just tell what he thinks, and I'm telling exactly what he has said.
Yeah. It's kind of like saying I don't like it, but not saying what you like. It's hard to know exactly how to make this more catchy.
It's true. It's true. He just doesn't like the table. He said it looks like too simple. Like, I don't know.
Well, I mean, we were given what we're given, right? And then we put it on.
Yeah, he's saying.
Like, what does
That's
PG
why
stand?
I
What does PG stand for? Postgraduate?
Let me check the file I sent it to you. I don't think it's just PG. I think that's it shouldn't be a abbreviation. Let me check. Could you please open the Excel I sent it to you? I believe the name is, well, I don't know, Sister Programs. Remember I sent you one Word file and one Excel file with all the tax information for the website. Could you please find that email and open the Excel? It's called Sister Programs.
Yeah, credential, PG.
Did you open the Excel?
Yeah. So hospitality management, that's the page we're on. And I'm on the hospitality management tab. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, that's PG.
Yeah.
It should be postgraduate.
Okay.
It's okay, just put PG there because that's what I got from our another staff too. I think it's okay. It's just he doesn't want you just simply put credential PG in a very simple table. I think that's what Cook means.
Okay,
Is
so
it possible to like change the format or I mean maybe a little bit design on those point form stuff? I don't know.
That's tough. Okay, so credentials here. Don't put that in the table. How about admission requirement? That's too simple too, right?
Mhm.
And then payment structure is also too simple. Intakes, probably too simple as well.
Yeah, he wants like after fees, like starting from credential, all of those.
Okay, so no more tables. So starting here, no more tables. Find a different format. Okay.
Yeah, maybe something look nice. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I guess
Yeah,
that's my
it's really
job.
hard to tell like which way they prefer, but they can. Yeah, we can just tell you how we feel, but we don't know what exactly we want.
Okay. I mean, was he happier overall with the changes, the pictures and all that stuff?
He feels better. Yeah, he likes
Feels better? Okay.
but he said there was a lot of places to be improved, but he didn't
Okay.
suggest exactly where to. So
Okay. So there's that. Okay. So
I
I'll
would
go
suggest,
to.
because he's a little bit like anxious and a little bit angry, and then I'm suggesting maybe add more pictures of our own to the about page.
Okay. Well, the pictures that you sent me, I can create a picture gallery in here.
Where?
At the bottom here. I can put like a scrolling picture banner of the pictures that you sent me. If you want, like, I don't know how else
Through
to
the
do
link
this.
you gave to me, it didn't show it's a gallery.
No,
Like
no,
there's
no.
only one image there.
I know that. I'm saying if he wants more pictures included, I can put like a little gallery here.
Sure, that would be great. Yeah, for all of those our own photos.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's nice. And then for those programs, it's just what we've talked about,
Okay.
those changes. And for those like how to apply pages, I would say how to apply looks better for me. Let me try refund. Yeah, and on the refund withdrawal process policy page, is it possible to add something that please click here for details?
Yes. Yeah, no problem.
And then at least it has something there.
Mm-hmm.
Academic support. Academic support looks fine to me. Student activities. Health medical important information.
I think this can be made smaller, and then this can be centered. The phone numbers can be centered. Because right now this is all like a waste of space.
Sure. Yeah, just please work on some like very detailed things. Maybe add a little arrow with color in front of the titles. I don't know. Just make him look there's like more pictures and then you know.
Okay. Well, we'll do our best, right? It's I know it's hard for you too to say, okay, well, what specifically do you want? It's like someone saying, I'm hungry. Oh no, but I don't want that. Okay, what do you want? Oh, I don't want that. Okay, well, what do you want? I mean, so we'll make those changes, but and we'll do the best we can. But ultimately, like we can't read minds, right? We'll do our best.
Yeah, please do so.
Okay. Otherwise, if Adrian wants to have a meeting in person and go over some actual changes, I have no problem giving you guys all the service in the world, But I know that everyone's pretty busy over there.
Yeah, that's what he's saying too. He said, please make sure that's the best you can give, and then I just forward a link to him, and then that's it.
Okay. So just to recap, we want to make sure that the tables don't have double green. We want to put the 1,100 hours for the program total at the top here. And then what we want to do is make sure that from here onward, we take out these tables because, see for this, or here, employment opportunities, we can have icons of a law building, a government building, a court building, banks. Put little icons. We can.
They just want those look different, yeah.
Yeah. And then we can make this stuff. Well, so I guess these are the dates that you guys sign people up, right? So these are the admission deadlines, not intakes.
But that's the, I think,
That's-
intakes
Okay.
what stated on the Excel, right?
Okay, so we got to follow the Excel no matter what it says. So, all right. So
Yeah,
credential.
I know,
So credential. We're just going to put diploma, and maybe a picture of a diploma. I don't know. Yeah, that's tough.
it's tough. It's even tough for me too.
Yeah. Fees. I don't have to change. Okay. So there's that. So no 2 green bars. Everything from credentials put into a different format. And then on the about page, put a little gallery here so we can have more pictures.
Nice.
On the refund and withdrawal policy, make sure we put, for more details, please download the policy form, whatever the case is. And then see what we can do to maybe format these a little bit different so that they look a bit better, like make that a little bit bigger. Instead of writing housing, maybe put a picture of a house or a banking icon, just, make it a little bit better. For Hinduism, for Islam, we can put the crescent moon. For Hinduism, we can use one of their symbols. For Christianity, we can use a cross. For Buddhism, maybe we can put a picture of Buddha. I don't know. We'll see what we can do here. Okay. All right. We'll give it another round.
Yeah, thank you. Please just do any improvements if you can.
And you know what? All of the improvements I'm giving you are coming within a day, right? So every day you can see something a little bit new and change. Then hopefully he says, okay, that's it. Okay, cool.
Thank you. Thank you for your work and patience.
No problem, Polly.
Thanks. Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.